Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm going to show you how to recover your Xbox 360 account or your Xbox account on your old 360. So it was giving me issues, so I'm just going to show y'all how to do it because I think I'm going to get it first try. And it was really kind of complicated for me before. So once you're on your 360, you're going to have to go to your system files, and then you're going to go to your storage, and then you're going to go to your hard drive or whichever device you have your profiles on, and just delete your old profile. Delete your old profile here, just delete it, just delete it here, okay? And then you go to delete, okay? I'm going to delete Razkid here. Delete profile only, okay? Delete profile only. It just deleted the profile. Done. All right, so now that we deleted that profile, okay, now make sure you have your Xbox Live email address, okay, your Microsoft email and your password. Now, here's the tricky part, okay? So once you go to sign in here, you're gonna go to sign in. So you're gonna go all the way to the right and then go to download profile, okay? And then once you go to download profile, you're gonna hit download profile. It's gonna ask for your email and your password. You're gonna put in your Microsoft email, so that the account email for your account, okay? Okay, and then once you put your email in, this is going to be the tricky part, okay? So the thing is, we're going to have to get a password app. So the Xbox 360 does not have any password apps here. So I'm going to put the link in the description below, and you're going to have to get a password app, okay? So I'm going to put the link here, and I'm going to send you this website here. Once you sign in, you should be able to have it here, okay? So the app password is going to be there, and I'm going to give you the link, but go there, get the app password, and that is what you're going to want to put on to your password to download the account. So you're not going to use your normal password that you use for your email. You're going to use that app password that your Microsoft account generates for you here, okay? So make sure you put that app password in that I put in the link in the description. All right, so now we just signed in. It's now downloading the profile here. It's going to be downloading your new Xbox account there. And then once you're done, that means you have now had the new profile on there. And that is how you re-sign into your old profiles, or if you change your old profile name, the 360 is on ancient legacy time. So you have to put the new information in now to get the Xbox profile on there on your 360. So we'll wait for this to be done, and you should be good. All right, and then we're going to remember password here, and we're going to sign in. Well, third party, okay. Sorry, some Xbox Live content is temporarily unavailable. That's fine. Wait, I mean, that's cool. I think Xbox Live is just down. Okay, yeah, we're in. Okay. Dang, I think the Xbox store. I'm like late to the party here. I guess I'm now realizing that